Okay, so hopefully I don't get in your way when I do this. I've got my drill here. I'm going to use my same screws that I took out because they're still in really good condition. And my first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just do some checking. I'm going to go 1 5/8" at the bottom on both sides, and that's about right. And then I'm going to hold this up. That's 1 1/8", and this side is about 1 inch. So I know this has to be kind of pulled out. And if I want to hold it, sometimes I can take a putty knife up there, tilt it, and put that in and hold it, or a screwdriver, or something like that. Okay, so I'm looking at it, and it looks like the opening is going to be fine. Okay, so now I'm going to do this for real. And look at your tape. Make sure you're reading your tape right. Sometimes it's easy to look at it backwards. You know, I got 1 5/8" right there. And I got this on low. I'm going to put the first screw in. And I'm going to look at this and see how that's going. And I've got 1 1/8" right there, and it's kind of moving on me a little bit. So I can take my putty knife. I'm going to take my putty knife. I'm just going to kind of hold it out a little bit and check that. I'm right there at 1 1/8". But before I do that, I like to do the bottom ones first. Okay? So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to measure 1 5/8" here, right there, and I'm going to screw that one in. Sometimes you have to use your left hand. I'm going to make it just snug for right now, in case I have to do any adjustments, okay? I can pull that out, and I'm going to first check these, okay? I've got 1 1/8", that's good there, and I've got 1 1/8". Wow, that's really good. Because see, sometimes if the opening is tweaked, and this side's 1 inch, and this is 1 1/8", I'll pull this one out to 1 1/4", so I can have this one at 1 1/8", so I can screw that in. Then I can kind of whack on that. And if I can't get it all the way, then I can take my scratch awl and take it like that and bend this sideways a little bit. And then I take my screw and put it in at an angle. So my last one, if it's 1 1/4", I can go that way until this sucks in to 1 1/8". And it works out really good. I used to try to bang this and take my hammer and set it there and kind of hit on it, or reach the back and try to push on it, or have somebody pull it on the other side. Nothing doing anymore. I get one and stick one wherever the other one goes, okay? In this case, it's right on. 1 1/8". You see this angle here? 1 1/2" at the bottom, 1 1/8" at the top. Now, you can do it however you want. This is how I do mine. And it almost seems like I'm putting it in the very same screws as the last piece. And I got a magnetic tip on here, so when I put the screw on there, it holds. That kind of helps me. And I'm going to check this here. Hold that up there, and I'm right there at 1 1/8". If anything, I got to kind of hang on to it just a little bit. So I'm going to, and now I'm going to use my left hand again. Okay. Now, remember, I've got that top screw to deal with too. Before I do that, I've got an important step right now to do. Do you know what it is? If you don't, stick around. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.